If you're new, press the bell icon to get the latest notifications.
Assalamu alaikum everyone, welcome back to Matic video update. Alright, so I just decided to randomly kind of check Matic and what's going on, and I see on the daily that you do have a little bit of a pattern here, and I'm just going to draw in that pattern right there, and one can say that you probably have broke out of it and you are certainly looking to push to the upside. So if I talk about this pattern right there, you have a move coming to 1.18, and that's probably a price increase of nearly 23% on a daily time frame, because as far as I'm concerned, actually you have this one touch right there, you have this resistance right there, that resistance right over here, broke to the upside, came for the retest, and you can see you're pretty much even making some reversal candlesticks, because this is a bullish harami candlesticks printed out next to the support line. So that's actually quite positive. And let's dive into the 4-hour time frame for more clarity. And yeah, even the 4-hour time frame tells you a lot, because you have your morning star right there, you have another potentially morning star being formed up right here, and this is all right off the support, right? So if maybe this can be a trade, that's actually a 3.76% of a risk, and you can see that this is actually like a 23% move to the upside. So I don't know what to say, but I cannot trust Bitcoin right now, and you can even end up making a fake out. So that's why I think a proper stop loss should be at 0.8926, and if you do try to come below 0.8926 and take it out, I think this is going to be a fake out. But at the moment, at least for now, it's not looking like any fake out, because that's a very confirmed candle right over there. It also looks on the daily as if this was a hammer actually, and you do know that hammer is a doji. That means that they're actually bullish hammer. This is a bullish hammer, right? And it shows that it can actually go back up. So let's see. It's all game of possibilities. You're not guaranteed anything, but if it works, amazing. Enjoy. And that's pretty much it for this update on Matic. I'm going to see you in the next one. Allah Hafiz.